Hello, Tom and Kikau friends. After discussing the characteristics of breeding cockatiels about to lay eggs, we now move on to the next step. Facts about when cockatiels begin laying eggs, the incubation phase, and the process of feeding the chicks. Understanding these stages is crucial for smooth breeding and optimal results. When a cockatiel breeder begins laying eggs, the first egg is usually laid at night or early in the morning. This is a common occurrence in the field. Cockatiel eggs aren't laid in large numbers all at once, but gradually. Generally, the breeder will lay one egg every 1 to 2 days until the clutch is full, usually between 3 and 6, depending on the breeder's condition and care. During this phase, the female will spend most of her time in the nest, while the male will guard the nest and occasionally feed the female. Entering the incubation phase. Cockatiels are among the birds that are most cooperative when it comes to incubating their eggs. The female typically incubates the eggs at night, while the male takes over during the day. However, this can vary from pair to pair. Interestingly, the parents usually begin full incubation after the second or third egg is laid. The incubation period for cockatiel eggs typically lasts around 18 to 22 days until hatching. After the eggs hatch, the parent cockatiels enter the brooding phase. During this phase, the parent's role is crucial. Newly hatched cockatiel chicks are still very weak and completely dependent on their parents. The male and female will take turns feeding the chicks with softened food in their crop. Typically, the male is more active in foraging, while the female spends most of her time in the nest, guarding and warming the chicks. During this phase, the parent's nutritional needs increase dramatically. So, providing nutritious food and supplementary feeding, such as corn, is essential to ensure the chicks grow healthily and grow quickly. So, friends of Tom and Kikau, during the egg-laying and chick-feeding phase, we as breeders should not open the nest box too often. Just check as needed to avoid stressing the parents and allow them to focus on caring for the eggs and chicks. That's all for this discussion. Don't forget to subscribe to Tom and Kikau and see you in the next video.